Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
How much money do you have?
I have $10.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Leah.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Leah.
What do you want to say to Leah?
I want to tell her something.
What do you want to say to Leah?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
When will she come?
She will come in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How are you?
I am good.
How are you?
I am good.
Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sick?
No, I am not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
How far is it?
It is about 200 kilometers.
How far is it?
It is about 200 kilometers.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
How is she?
She is pretty.
How is she?
She is pretty.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $200.
How much are they earning?
They are earning $200.
How much does this cost?
This costs $20.
How much does this cost?
This costs $20.
How much money do you make?
I make $2 per hour.
How much money do you make?
I make $2 per hour.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
What is today's date?
Today is July 20th.
What is today's date?
Today is July 20th.
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
How old are you?
I am 24.
Practice speaking English.
Are you ready? Are you ready? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? What do you want to say to Leah?
What do you want to say to Leah?
When will she come? When will she come? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Are you American? Are you American? Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you married? Are you married? How are you? How are you? Are you sick? Are you sick? Are you sure? Are you sure? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? How far is it? How far is it? Do you understand? Do you understand? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How is she? How is she? How much are they earning? How much are they earning? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much money do you make? How much money do you make? How does it taste? How does it taste? Are you busy? Are you busy?
What do you do? What do you do?
How much money do you have? How much money do you have? What is today's date? What is today's date? How old are you? How old are you? Practice. Speaking English.
Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. I have $10. I have $10. I want to talk to Leah.
I want to talk to Leah.
I want to tell her something. I want to tell her something. She will come in 10 minutes. She will come in 10 minutes. No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. No, I am not American. No, I am not American. No, I am not allergic. No, I am not allergic. Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry.
Yes, I am married.
Yes, I am married. I am good. I am good. No, I am not sick. No, I am not sick. Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Sorry, we only accept cash. Sorry, we only accept cash. It is about 200 kilometers. It is about 200 kilometers. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. She is pretty. She is pretty. They are earning $200.
They are earning $200.
This costs $20. This costs $20. I make $2 per hour. I make $2 per hour. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Yes, I have a lot of things to do. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I have no money. I have no money.
Today is July 20th. Today is July 20th.
I am 24 years old. I am 24.